Hey everybody, it's Neo, and I got this new milk frother, electric milk frother. We currently had one, but it's the battery compartment broke on it, so I figured, hey, I'll buy another one while I have a chance. So, not very expensive, but let's check this thing out and see what it looks like, if I can get it out of there. Nothing else in the box. It's by COKUNST, COKUNST. So this is what it looks like. Looks like a milk frother. And we can open it up here. And it's gonna take two batteries. Kind of tells you plus and minus on there. So it looks like it'll be this way first on this one. And then this one in there that way. Oh, guess it's on. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I guess it works there. That's what it does. Oh, ouch. Man, that one goes fast. Okay, let's go check this thing out. Try it in some water here and see what we get. So here we are. I don't have any milk to froth, but I have some water. So let's see what this thing looks like. So here we go. I'm gonna put it in, and it creates a little tornado. Wow, holy cow, that thing is strong. So this thing is a beast. Holy macro. Try that again. That would be good. That'd probably whip up some eggs or anything in there. That thing's got some power. I'm just gonna show you guys what my old one looked like, just for comparison's sake. This is the old one, and I needed a new one because the battery compartment's kind of broken on it. But let's try it. See, you can even hear it's not very powerful. Look, it barely spins in the water. So, huge difference. This one here, I'm trying to stand it up again. This one here just goes. So, I'm gonna say this is pretty sweet. It's very awesome. Thumbs up from me on this one here, the milk frother. And it was with COK, whatever, UNST. I'll put the link in the description. How about that for all y'all? So links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.